Are you ready? Let's go. 10 minutes, gentle, light, low impact movement. Let's just begin. Step to the side, arms come up. Step over, arms go out. Bring your breath into the movement. We're gonna move gently, but we're also gonna move with real focus and attention. We have been focusing on our brain health this week, and I would be remiss if we didn't bring up what a positive mindset can do for your mental health and well-being to increase longevity. Those with a positive mindset live longer and healthier lives, there's no doubt. And we move our bodies, oxygen, blood begins to circulate to the mind. We know that within moments, we're gonna boost dopamine, serotonin. The feel-good chemicals. Can we do that with a mindset that is, I am strong, I am healthy, I am youthful. Oh yeah, you feeling it? Yeah, me too. Okay, just a gentle twist. Let's really warm up our spine. Just look to the side. Keep your head up nice and high. Move with integrity. My intention today is to maintain a positive mindset no matter what happens outside of me. I can't control 99.999% of things. I choose to see the bright side. I choose to see the light in others and treat them if that's all I see. See the light in myself. Oh, and just reach it just a little bit. Squat down. Let's build some incredible leg strength. We'll reach across our bodies. I am healthy. I am strong. When we say these things, it rewires our brain. We start to build patterns that produce a healthy, strong body and mind. Positivity truly does fuel resilience. Helps the brain to adapt, to grow stronger, to recover. Okay, arms up. Step to the side. Breathe in, breathe out. Step to the side. Arms up, breathe in and out. Again. Link your breath with the movement. Feel that aliveness in you. Begin to look up a little bit more. Build this great neck mobility. See yourself as healthy, strong, youthful. We eliminate stress that way. Calm our nervous system. And as we move our bodies every day, it's the consistency that really does matter. Staying consistent, daily exercise. It's going to lead to a long and healthy life, a strong mind, reducing our risk of brain decline, dementia, Alzheimer's. We're finding more and more that these are lifestyle-related diseases, and there's so much more in our control. We are not innocent victims. We can take control of our brain health by showing up every day with a positive outlook. One more. Step back, circle the opposite arm. Step back, opposite arm. Find a nice flow here. Real intentional movement. Step back, circle the arm. Breathe into it. Maybe you step back just a little bit further. Get your balance, circle the arm. Step back. Yeah, feel the beauty of the movement. The beauty of your inner self. You are enough. One more here. Oh, and the other side. Oh, brilliant. Touch the toe if you can. Shift your weight from side to side. Bring a little bit of a dance into it. Flow your arms. And start to twist the body as well. Twist into it and look behind. Maybe it looks like this for you right now. Brilliant. Hallelujah. Do whatever is good for you in this moment. Yeah. Oh, feel it in the hips. Great for mobility. Oh, ooh, there's a little dance element. If you got a little skip in you, there's the dopamine boost. Feel good. Moving our bodies and staying young and youthful. Okay. Ooh. Step behind. Reverse lunge. Come down a bit. Arms up. Head up high. Pick a spot on the horizon. Let's build some balance, coordination. Let's go. Arms come up a little higher. You step back a little further if you like. Again, maybe this is the move. Oh, doesn't that feel good? Yes. Just accept where you're at. And let's grow from there. See yourself as divine, healthy, strong. Ooh, last one. Ooh, shake out your body. Oh, back health. Let's go. Bend. Come on down, flat back. Reach over to the other side. Up, reach back, other side, and back down. Just move with intention. Oh, feel the beauty of the movement. We are alive, youthful, strong. Smile. Enjoy the ride. Last one. Oh, so nice. So good. Oh, last movement for today. Let's build some balance. You modify this however you like. Arms up, and you can just step forward and back if you like. You could go and then touch down, keep the leg up, touch down, or if you like, continue to keep the leg off the ground. Whatever works for you here, go for it. Whoa, catch yourself, no problem. Beautiful, we'll build balance day by day, and we'll just keep getting stronger. Working on balance exercises, again, great for our brain. Challenging ourselves. Let's go to the other side. And again, just modify. Do what works best for you here. If you can stay off, awesome. This information, everything I'm taking is coming from the brain docs. Neurologists, real science-backed information. And when they said the number one thing we can do to reduce our chance of mental decline was movement, oh yeah. Number two, they said, was eating leafy green vegetables. Eat more plants, it's changed my life. Not controversial to say, eating lots of plants is good for us. Lots of leafy greens. And the number three thing they said was challenge yourself. Continue to do challenging things. Learn new things. Play a musical instrument. Learn a new language. Practice balancing. Keep challenging and pushing yourself to the very last day. That's gonna keep the brain strong and healthy. We did it again. Thank you so much. One pointed, focused meditation. Stick with me. This one really does help to increase concentration, focus, and allow us to maintain those incredibly valuable memories throughout our whole life. Pick a spot. Maybe you can see one of the geese, even though it's moving. A rock there. Just find a spot, give it laser-like attention. 45 seconds. Watch the monkey mind and just come back to that spot with real attention. Come back to me. Amazing. I am truly grateful for you. Please let me know how this session went for you. Every like, every share, every comment really does push the video out to more people like you, and I'm truly grateful for it. I will see you tomorrow. Have an incredibly healthy, safe, and fantastic day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.